Welcome to DeFi Crypto today. Our topic today is minting on Wonderland. Several people have been asking me to show them step by step how to do minting. So we're going to do it on Wonderland, which is one of my favorite home forks. I like Wonderland a lot because it's extremely profitable. And I really like Daniele in general. This is one of Daniele's three big projects. The other ones being Abracadabra and Popsicle. And they all seem to be making money hand over fist. Now, I want to point something out before we do the minting. Look at this treasury here. $734 million. This crazy number keeps growing. Okay, sometimes it goes down, okay, if the price of the time token tanks, okay, which happens from time to time. But in general, the treasury keeps on growing. Now, I want to people to remember that Wonderland started in early September. Now, let's have a look at OlympusDAO's treasury. It's 770 million. OlympusDAO started in March of 2020. So we're very close. Wonderland is very close to outpacing the size of the OlympusDAO treasury, okay, in less than 3 months, okay, which is very impressive, okay. And you know, you already know that the interest, the APY, is much lower on Olympus. Olympus likes to keep the APY low. They seem to think that having very high APYs make them look like a junk token or something. Okay, they think that it's less believable if they've got a 20,000% APY like they used to. Okay, they used to have that around July, but they changed their mind and they figured, nah, let's lower this. It keeps the people thinking that we're a real protocol, not a joke. Whatever, different philosophies, okay. As you can see down here, I believe. Yeah, you can see that the APY has been going down quite a bit. It used to be 17,000 for, around the time I bought it, was around here, okay, in July. And it was close to 20,000%. But in late August, they decided to lower the APY considerably. On the other hand, at Wonderland, well, the APY keeps on growing and growing and growing. It's, I believe it's 90,000% now, 93,000%. It started around 30,000% in September, and it keeps on growing despite the fact that if you look at the dashboard, the runway is huge. The runway is over 413 days. Compare that to the runway here. Where's the runway? The runway is 313 days. So it's over almost 100 extra days for much higher APY. So that means that the protocol is very profitable. That's what that means to me. But anyway, I'm just a farmer. What do I know? All right, so let's talk about minting. The first thing you need to figure is that the ROI that you have here varies every few seconds. This was a bit higher just a few minutes ago before I started the video. Now it went down a little bit. If I refresh, it's still going to be like that. Let's see, because we want a high ROI in order to make bonding profitable. See, it's even worse now. It went down. So it might not be very profitable for me to mint right now, but I'm going to do it anyway, just for demonstration. We're going to use a small amount of money and demonstrate how it's done. And then I'll show you something I found online that is that can help you figure out if bonding or minting. Olympus likes to call this bonding. Many protocols call it bonding, but one calls it minting. So we found a spreadsheet that calculates if it's profitable or not to mint versus staking. So maybe sometimes it's more profitable to stake and sometimes more profitable to mint. So I'll show you that spreadsheet later and where you can get it. But let's just assume, for argument's sake, that it's profitable for me to mint right now because I want to perform this demonstration. So obviously the best ROI is at the top, okay? Make sure you never take a negative ROI because then you're essentially losing money. So let's hit the mint button and see what happens. So it's going to refresh. Okay. This is the price I'm going to pay per time token, and this is the price, the actual market price right now. Now, what typically I would need to buy a time AVAX LP token pair, which I'm not going to do. I'm going to zap simply, okay? Because for this, that's a traditional way of doing it. You have to go to Trader Joe and buy 50% time, 50% AVAX, and then join them together, create an LP token pair, and so on. It's like, it takes a lot of time, and you pay gas every time you hit a button. So let's just use the zap and see what we can do with that instead. I think with zap, we can use any old token we've got in our wallet. So you see right now I've got USDC, and that's what I'm going to use. So let's use USDC, and I'm going to use, let's say, 250 bucks. Okay, and we're going to approve. So MetaMask shows up slowly, and we confirm. All right, so just have to wait a bit. We can check in MetaMask if everything is all right. So transaction is pending. So we have to prove the first time we mint. After it's approved, then we can actually mint. So now it seems to be approved. Okay, and now we have the mint. The next time you mint, you don't need to approve. Okay, you just need to hit mint. So let's mint now. Okay, and confirm in MetaMask. Yeah, it's actually easy. After minting, we hit the redeem link, and then it shows where our assets are. So basically I have 0.0288 time pending, okay, and they call them rewards, okay. So basically I'm rewarded for selling my USDC that were converted to time AVAX LP tokens. So the protocol is receiving time AVAX LP token, okay. Not the USDC. The USDC was zapped into time AVAX LP. Okay. Now it says that in 4 days, 23 hours, and 59 minutes, I'm going to be fully vested. Now, you can claim manually, and you can claim it auto stake. So what this means is that if we hit claim in auto stake, what it's going to do, hopefully, is claim whatever tokens I receive as reward. Okay, claimable rewards right now is 0. But once I have some time that I can claim, okay, so it will update whatever. I just performed it probably for nothing, but anyway. When you have some time here that you can claim, okay, that's fine, thanks. It will claim that from your pending balance, and it will auto stake it. Okay, so gradually over 5 days, like each day, essentially you get 20% of this number of time that you have as pending rewards, and they're available for claiming and staking. So you can use this button, okay, to claim them and stake them automatically in one shot. Okay, and once that happens, when they're staked, well, they're going to appear here with your other stake memos. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Minting or bonding is not very complicated. What's very nice with Wonderland is that they have a zap feature, which allows you to take any old token you've got in your wallet practically and convert them to whatever LP pair you need or token that you need, okay, depending on which one is the most profitable for you. Okay, so you choose the one that's the most profitable. You can zap whatever token you've got. You got AVAX token, USDC, DAI, whatever. It will take them. Okay, like I did. All right, so that's it for this. Now, what I wanted to show you is if you need more instructions, okay, they are in the documentation. To get to the documentation, you click on Docs here. Okay, so they explain what minting is about. Okay, and then here they explain how you mint. And as you saw, it's not difficult. You probably don't need the instructions, but if you need them, they're right here. Okay, now I want to show you a very interesting tool that some guy created and gave away for free. Now, how did I learn about this? I went to Alpha Only on YouTube, okay, and I went to his Discord channel right here. The Discord channel is here, so that's Alpha Only Discord channel. And basically, I search for this file here. So mint or stake. If you type mint or stake and you go here, and you scroll down a little bit further, you have this guy. His name is Kai99. Okay, he's a member of Alpha Only on the Discord channel. And he created a spreadsheet I'm going to show you. And you have the link to that spreadsheet here. I'm not sure if YouTube will let me add this link, but I'll put it in the description anyway. But if you like the spreadsheet, you should go and say thank you to this guy. He's really nice. And he made the whole spreadsheet for people. So let me show you what it is. Now, I did not double check his calculations. I've been very lazy. All I've done is follow the instructions and see what happens, okay? So I believe the map looks all right to me. It makes sense. If any of you guys want to double check that the calculations are correct, go for it. Let me know what happens. But I'm pretty sure that it's cool. All right, so basically you only have two numbers to change, and then you have to look at this sign here. So basically it's going to tell you to mint or stake depending on whatever discount percentage you're getting and whatever price, token price you get when you after discount. So let's like when I calculated earlier, it was the discount was 7.331, but now it's a lot less. So I'm not sure if minting was a good idea when I did it. Let's check. So right now, see, it went even further down. All right, so let's try this. Let's see what numbers we're going to get. Okay, so the ROI, oh, now it went up. So the ROI is 7% now, and we're going to take the mint price. So now we're getting 7%. Okay, here. So I'm going to type 7%, and we're going to put the price that it gave us. Okay, so it still says minting. The value here is still positive, so it's still a good idea to mint at that price with that discount. So cool. So basically, I'm ahead. I'm making more profit than if I were just to be staking only. So that's the use of this spreadsheet. I think it's very convenient, and you can use it on other OM forks, on OlympusDAO itself. Just fill in these two boxes here and look at the result here. That's it. Very easy. You can thank this guy, Kai99, for that. Okay, and if you need more explanations on this spreadsheet, ask him. He made it. All right, I had nothing to do with it. All right, so that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and download the free book. It explains very easy strategies for beginners and advanced people alike. All you have to do is, the link is in the description, and you have to put your name and your email address, and after you submit, There's a big fat button that says download the free book. All right. And if you don't want a free book, you go to Amazon, you pay $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, and Jeff will send me $1, a whole $1. All right, see you later.